Today, the day I'm filming it is on the, what day is it today? Oh my god. Sorry, today is Sunday. No, sorry, Saturday. Today is Saturday. Hi everyone, my name is Diana and welcome back to my channel. So if you saw my last video, I did return my mini Lady Dior in Ultra Matte in the color blush, and when I returned it I ended up actually picking up another bag. You probably have guessed, it is a Chanel bag, and I'm so excited for this because I actually have not taken it out of the box since it was wrapped, and I returned my Dior bag and got the Chanel bag last Monday. So today, the day I'm filming it is on the, what day is it today? Oh my god. Sorry, today is Sunday. No, sorry, Saturday. Today is Saturday. So today is Saturday and I have not opened up my bag at all in my beautiful Chanel bag. So yeah, I did not open this and I'm very excited because opening it means I can finally use it. I want to do this unboxing for my YouTube channel. I want to make this video to unbox it for you guys. So I'm just going to quickly tell you what happened that actually landed me on getting this bag. My friend wanted me to go into the Chanel boutique at Yorkdale. They have one at Holt Renfrew, and she wanted me to take some photos of what bags that they had in store and send them to her. She was interested in a certain style. The SA brought out a bunch of bags that fitted her description, my friend's description of what she was looking for, and I actually ended up falling in love with a bag that the SA showed me. And not only that, the SA I got at the Chanel boutique in Holt Renfrew is absolutely amazing. She is a gem. I honestly probably bought this bag because of her. Like she was just such a good SA. Like I don't know, I've been praising about her to all my friends that who would listen. I'm like, get this SA if you can at Yorkdale. I ended up being there for 2 hours and then I was like, I have to go run downtown and return my Dior bag and I'll be back and get this bag that I am eyeing on, so hold it aside for me and I'll be back. I ran downtown, returned my Dior bag, but then what ended up happening was I had to wait in the bank for an hour and a half because when I returned a Dior bag, the money for my credit card did not come back right away, so I had to actually withdraw cash. So the bank thought I was committing some sort of fraudulent activity, so they stopped me from withdrawing money. So that took quite a bit to deal with. So in the end, it took me an hour and a half before I was able to leave the bank in order to get my money to go back to the Yorkdale location, because I had to go downtown for the Dior location to return my my Lady Dior. So anyway, I in total actually spent 4 hours at that Chanel boutique. I absolutely loved the SA I had and the experience was absolutely wonderful. And luckily I went on a day that was not busy at all, so I got to spend as much time as I could, 4 hours, you know, in order to look at every single bag I was interested in and, you know, just take my time to really think about it because it is a pricey purchase. Luckily it is a little bit cheaper than my mini Lady Dior, but it's still quite pricey. But anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna unbox my beautiful new Chanel bag. And like I said earlier, it is my first bag. I was actually been researching for a Chanel bag since April, and I ended up getting a bag that was not on my radar, from the style to everything really. I was not planning on this, but yeah. So I'm a little afraid to like rip at this because I was like, oh, it's done so nicely, but I have to do what I have to do. Can you guess what it is? Oh my god, she did it like quite tightly. Give me a second. But you know, take a guess. Pause the video, take a guess down below. I got the Chanel 2.55 reissue in the So Black. Here. Isn't it a beautiful bag? Look at the light. Look at the light reflection. So this bag is actually from the new autumn 2020 collection. This is the 2020 Metiers Tarte collection. So something art collection. I don't know what Metiers means. I forgot. Let me take a look. Trades. Apparently means trades. So if I translate it, it would be the art trade, the 2020 art trade collection. So yeah, 2020 Metiers d'Art collection. Probably butchering it because my French, I haven't been proper with my French. I haven't taken French since like grade 10, and that was over a decade ago. So yeah. This is a brand new seasonal piece. It is a mini, and you can have it up as a double chain. So this chain is quite unique. It's not in, you know, a silver hardware, it's not in the gold hardware, nor ruthenium. I asked my essay, she just said to call it So Black. So very unique in that sense. So what is quite unique that I didn't know, because I never actually did my research on the reissue, is that the bottom of the bag is not flat. I'm not sure if you can sort of see that has, you can see here, but you see how it's sort of pointed down like that. During the time when Gabrielle Chanel was alive and she made this bag, it was because back then there was never an occasion for women to have their bag sit upright. Rather, when they go to musical events or operas or wherever they're going, they always have it lying flat. With that in mind, she created a bag having it flat on the woman's legs when they're sitting at an event or whatnot. And what is also really nice is that she created the reissue because she wanted women to be hands-free, because back then they had to hold clutches and such, and this is why she decided to create something that you can wear cross-body. So I learned that from my essay, and I thought that was a really cool tidbit. I am quite happy with this bag. I'm very excited. It's quite unique. With the reissue, they have a little bit of that wrinkling at the bottom. It was made that way so it has more of that natural look. So over time, when you do use it and it does get a little bit dented, you know, over wear and tear over time, it will just look quite natural, and this looks like it's part of this bag. I'm gonna eventually do a review on this. I'm super excited. This is my very first Chanel bag, so I know I'm gonna be able to use this one quite often because I can wear it casually and also for formal events. And I don't have to worry as much on the wear and tear compared to my Lady Dior bag. So I will definitely do a future review on the bag. Let me know how long I should be testing this bag out for before I do a review. Like, do you want me to do 6 months, 1 year after use? You know, comment below. This is part of their newest collection. I think I got the only bag that came into the store, and very excited to add this to my luxury collection. So this bag retails for $5,550 Canadian, with tax, which turns out to be $6,271.50. In case you're wondering how much this is currently for retail. Quite expensive for a mini, but that is what happens if you buy after a price increase. And much later on in life, because now everything is quite expensive. So yeah. Otherwise, I might put some mod shots really quick. I'm not gonna do, like I said, I'm not gonna put anything here inside the bag right now because I want to do that later on for a full review. So I'm gonna do some quick mod shots. So this is what the bag looks like on me. I am 5'9". Thank you very much for watching. You can like, subscribe, comment, follow my social down below. Otherwise, I hope to see you again very soon. Bye!